What's up, everybody? So we are back live in the lab. So today we got the 350 ZVQ. So we're gonna be doing valve covers and then kind of like a little light service on this thing. Last time out at Button Willow, my man was on a predictive 56 and he started smoking. Big leak. So we gonna figure it out, see what's up. But so far, as you can see, intake manifold is nice, and in terms of VQ, this is clean because generally, as you know, VQs, they like to burn oil. So this is very nice. So there's a little bit there, but as you can see, it is clean. And then right here also, so we got a little grit here, so that's evidence of poor air filtration. So which is true, air filter does need to be changed, but it got a little grit in it. But as you can see, the oil itself, it is clean. So, and the car is parked on a slight incline, so that's why it all rolled back. So far so good. So we'll keep at it, go ahead and basically open up the whole top end. So I'll turn you on when we got some more. I'm out of here. Later.